Hey everybody, this is Bob Buskirk with ThinkComputers again, and today we're unboxing the Cooler Master Silent Pro Hybrid 1050 watt modular power supply. It's 100% modular, no cables are attached to it obviously. It is the world's first power supply that has a 7-volt fan connector, and it actually has a fan controller included that goes in your 5 1/4 inch bay. So let's open it up and check out what's inside. Alright, so taking a look at the box itself, it tells us a little bit about the power supply itself. It's 1050 watts. It's 80 plus gold certified, which means it's going to run 87% efficient at 100% load. It has a 200 watt fanless mode, 82 amps on the 12 volt rail, integrated 7 volt fan ports. On the side, you're going to see all your specifications and everything. And then you're going to see some features, and then on the back it looks like it goes over some of the stuff about the fan and the efficiency. Let's go ahead and open it up here. We can figure out how to do that. There we go. And if we open it up here, you can see everything's nicely packed, as most things from Cooler Master are. Here is our warranty card, user's manual. Now let's go into this stuff, which is probably all of our cables. Which actually, let's not do it. Let's get this out, it's probably easier. So here's the actual power supply, which is nicely wrapped in plastic, and we'll go over that in a second. And here is the fan controller, also wrapped in plastic. And this is the cables for the fan controller itself. Now, if we open this, and we have a nice bag that has all of your cables, which we'll also go over in 1 second. Let's go over the power supply first. So if we take a look at the power supply, it is pretty much almost the same size as a standard power supply, a little bit longer from what I can see. Nice Cooler Master logo on the front. Obviously it has a nice large fan for cooling. Obviously it has the logo. Silent Pro Hybrid 1050 watt. Really cool. I'm almost positive you can't see from the video, but it just has a really nice kind of like coat painting on it, which makes it look really cool. On the top, you obviously have your output and input graph, and you have your connections on the back, which obviously just the normal. You have cooling here, honeycomb cooling, and you have your normal power connection and power button. And on this side, you obviously have all of your connections, which you can take a look at here. For PCI Express, you have your 24-pin motherboard. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 4-pin. These are for your CPU and motherboard, and then these are your actual. This is to connect the fan controller, and these are for 2 fans. Now, if we take a look at the fan controller, you can see it's pretty simple. You have an auto and manual setting, and you have 2 dials for the 2 fans you can plug in. And on the back, you have, it looks like there's 3 fan connections and the connection that actually goes to the power supply itself. Now, looking at the cables here, you have a nice big thick power supply cable. Now, I don't know why a lot of manufacturers are doing this. I'm not a fan of flat cables. Cooler Master is using flat cables here. I really do like round cables, but they have gone with flat cables. So you have your 2 big sets of flat cables, and looks like you have your 24-pin ATX motherboard connector, and it looks like there is 4 screws, obviously, to mount the power supply in your case. So yeah, guys, that is about it for the Silent Pro Hybrid 1050 watt power supply. Like I said, it's completely modular, 80 plus gold certified. And check back in a couple weeks on ThinkComputers and you'll see the full review. And like I said, if you like our videos, make sure you subscribe. We'll catch you next time.